Hello everyone and welcome to Satin Flower Making by Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 2 and we are going to learn how to make petal rose. Yeah, this is the shape for a petal rose. Okay, this is the shape. So this like this and the balloon type shape. So this is 2 centimeters, the down straight line. The height is 5 centimeters. And here the width is 2.5 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. Then you have to draw a shape like this. Yeah. Okay, now cut the shape. Yeah, I'm cutting off the measurements because I've written it down. Okay, I'll write it up. Cutting should be fine. Yeah. So this is the shape of a petal rose. This I have drawn and cut on a thin cardboard paper which you get in the stationery shops. Yeah, this is the light one, not the thickest one, the thin one. And draw this shape for petal rose. Yeah, now we will see the materials required to make a petal rose. Yeah, petal rose which looks like, yeah, this is a petal rose, looks like this. Now we are going to learn how to make this petal rose. Yeah, okay. First we need a starched satin cloth. It's a starched satin cloth I have, white color. Floral tape, a plier, a pair of scissors, petal shape which we have already drawn, pencil, pollens, flower pollens, floral wire, a flower making wire, and this is called calyx. We'll see what is the use of this. Yeah, now we have to draw the shapes. Let me draw the shape. One shape I have drawn. I need 12 shapes like this, 12 petals. So I'm going to draw 12 petals. Two, I have to draw 10 more. Yeah, I've drawn all 12 shapes. There are 12. Now I need to cut those. Yeah. Now I have to cut all the 12 shapes. Let me do that. Okay, so I am done. I'm done with my 12 petals. 12 petals for making the petal rose. And now next I am going to take the flower making wire, bend it into 2, okay, bend it into 2, take some pollens, like this. Yeah. Now we are going to arrange the petals one by one. First petal, take glue gun, on the shiny side, not on the back side, on the shiny side, front side, apply glue. And place this at the center. That was not proper. So, yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, I should be careful that melted glue is very hot. Not very hot, but again, you sense it. Okay, so my first petal. Now take the second petal. Again same, apply glue. Now where we ended this, there attach your next petal. Like this, and just hold your finger on this, press your finger on this for some time so that glue should stand in place. Yeah. Okay, yeah. If you see from somewhere glue is coming out, apply little more and just press it again. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Now here, now this is my second petal ended here. I am going to start my third petal from here. So it should start from here. From here, behind the second petal, my third petal is starting. Behind the second, like this. Yeah, this is my first, this is my second flower, and behind that my third flower, third petal is starting. Now from here my fourth will start. From here at the same height, should not be up and down. From here my fourth will start. Okay, yeah, fourth petal you can bend it little like this, and third you can bend like this. If you see the petals are opening, apply some glue and yeah, stick it back, hold it for some time and hold it for some time. You might hear some noise, it's my son inside watching TV, so kindly excuse. Yeah, he's small, 6 years old. Yeah. Now I'll start my 5th petal from the back side of my 4th petal. Yeah, same. Hold it for some time. Now in the same way I have arranged 4 petals, 1 2 3 4, and I have 5 petals I have arranged. So everything from the behind, another petal will start, then another will start, then another will start. In this way we are going to arrange all 12 petals. Yeah. So I am done arranging all my 12 petals, and this is my rose. If you feel that sometimes a rose is not symmetric, then you can use 1 or 2 more petals to make it symmetric. Or if you feel the rose is small, you can make the big petals and arrange it. So it's all as per your understanding. Now comes the job of calyx. I have a calyx here, so what you have to do is, apply glue here at the center first, and take it like this. Now on the calyx petals, now comes the job of floral tape. Wrap it around, so here is your rose. This is called petal rose. Yeah, so I hope you all have liked my video. Thank you for watching. So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I'm happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.